Hello friends, welcome to the Techno Academy channel. Today we will learn about the digit system, number system, and how it would be converted from one to another. Let's see how it would be and what are the types of number system. So let's take first number system, that is decimal number system. Now next is binary, third is octal, and second is hexadecimal. So first decimal number system we use in a daily life, that base is 10 and number start from 0 to 9. Now next is binary number system, base is 2 and number start from 0 and 1 only. Now octal number system, base is 8 and hexadecimal number system, base is 16. That would be converted in the next video series. So first we take the decimal number system into a binary number system conversion. So let's take one of the example. Let's take example of 200. Now what we are doing in this method, we are doing just division of 200 with the 2. Why we are using 2 number, the division number? It is because of the binary base value is 2. That's why we are divided into 2 number with the decimal number. Let's divide it 200 by 2 and it will be quotient, that is 100 and remainder is a 0. Same way we are writing in this manner. If we are not writing this manner, we didn't get the actual value of binary. Now 100 is also divided by 2. It is take a 50 and remainder is 0. Now 50 is also divided by 2. We have a 25 and remainder is 0. But now here is some question. What question? If 25 is divided by 2 and we have the point value, so then point value we didn't write over here. What we are doing, that we are just writing a 12 into 2, it is a 24, and whatever remaining number is there we are writing over here, that is the remainder. So 12 into 2 is 24 and 1 is the remainder, we will write over here. Now 12 divide by, then we will have a 6, remainder is 0. 2 divide by 6, then we have 3 and remainder is 0. 3 divided by 2, we have a 1 and remainder have 1. Now if we divide 1 divided by 2, that is not possible, then the remainder is same, it is 1. Now what we are doing, we are just writing in inverse version of our remainder and we get the binary value of 200. 11001000. That is exactly the equivalent value of 200. Now let's take another example by yourself and calculating by your terms. If anything has happened, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much.